Alma of the Airwaves, lucky of the orange couch. It is 26th of January. It's a beautiful Tuesday and it's so much snow in Toronto. We love snow. It's gonna snow all day and I'll make a video when we have enough snow to show. I love snow. So it's gonna be snowing all day. Yesterday I read that Rembrandt had over 90 self-portraits. Catching up. I have to catch up. I only have 2 or 3 and they all look, actually 2. This is my 3rd one and they all look like other people. You know. But okay, so this is what I'm going to do today. Recommendation of the day. The book is by Koya Webb. Koya, K-O-Y-A, Webb, W-E-W-B. A young woman yoga instructor, the book she wrote is Let Your Fears Make You Fierce. Second fierce is F-I-E-R-C-E. How to turn common obstacles into seeds for growth. Beautiful story. She wanted to be an Olympic champion, to get the gold medal, and with the gold medal, go to the schools and actually help kids overcome trauma, build resilience, and all that. And then she had a huge trauma, which took her absolutely, I mean, this dream was done. And she realized that she does not need a gold medal. In order to go, she has everything she needs to go in order to go and help these kids. And so that's what she did. And now she wrote a book. And the wonderful thing is at the end, she says, okay, let me tell you something. I have not.
It's 11 o'clock.
It is 11 o'clock. I haven't given up this dream completely. You never know. I might still go for the gold. Wonderful story. So enjoy your day. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is already Wednesday. Okay. Speaking about pressure, over 80 self-portraits. Who does that? Okay. You know me and the Dutch lately anyway. But I've tried another one. Okay. So if that's number 3, this is number 4, self-portrait number 4. Okay. Notice I have pink glasses. I view the world through pink glasses. 24/7. Okay, I'll continue. I figured out, okay, I have 28 wigs now. Every wig can have probably 4 styles. 24. I can make 80 self-portraits in no time. Okay, enjoy your day and enjoy the video of the snow. We'll see you both tomorrow.